Hello guys, welcome to Best Review Zone. Today's video is on the top 10 best wooden docking stations on Amazon. A docking station is a convenient way to charge, store, and access your iPhone. However, with the introduction of wireless and MagSafe chargers, Lightning Dock's charm has faded. But don't be sad, because we have got you covered. Here are some amazing wireless and old-school iPhone docking stations you can check out. I've included links in the description below. Number 1. Pezin and Hulin Bamboo Charging Station. This wooden docking station organizer is for phones, tablets, and desktop computers. This bamboo charging station with smartwatch dock stand can charge up to 5 devices at once, including tablets, smartphones, candles, and other devices that run on the universal One OS operating system. For your desktop organizer at the office, study, living room, bedroom, kitchen, or on any tabletop, this multipurpose bamboo charge station works beautifully. This charging station contains 2 additional compartments to store daily needs, office supplies, headphones, a TV remote control, glasses, and other items. It has a smooth surface and a strong footprint size. The bamboo charging organizer stand makes an excellent gift for housewarming, Christmas, or birthday gifts. Number 2. Docking Station Organizer by Peraco. Looking for the ideal approach to delight and express your love to that specific someone? Men's and women's phone docking stations are packaged in a handy rustic gift box made from sustainable materials. For any event, including Christmas, birthdays, Father's Days, anniversaries, and graduations, it is the perfect gift and docking station for the husband's wife's wedding anniversary, brother, son, etc. Our wood docking station for men and women is made of high-quality Royal UT wood, in contrast to all the other wooden docking stations that are of low quality and cheaply made for the price. We ensure that our wood phone stands are the first and last ones you will ever need to purchase by adding a VR and ISH to all of our docking stations for durability. Number 3. Wooden phone docking station for men. This docking station can be used as a phone holder, key holder, wallet holder, watch stand, and Christmas gift. A luxurious home for your personal items, including a charging station for your phone, a key holder, a wallet stand, a watch organizer, and a place to put your glasses. When you need to locate them, they will always be there. Note: the watch's charging hole was made to match the Apple Watch's dimensions. The difficult nightstand docking station construction is no longer a concern for you. Our nightstand organizer for men consists of just 2 specially created templates. Simply install the upper board where the lower board is now located and start using it. Simply stack them while not in use and remove. Number 4. Greta Oto Wooden Docking Station. This docking station is the ideal present for every event you want to celebrate with your husband, boyfriend, brother, dad, or anybody else who is significant and precious to you, including Christmas, Valentine's Day, anniversary, birthday, Father's Day, and graduation. All of your mobile gadgets are kept charged, and it's a terrific way to keep all of your daily essentials arranged and simple to find. Glasses, keys, rings, wallet, coins, watch, pen drive, lighter, and other items can all fit in the areas that have been especially created for them. Number 5. TESLYAR Wood Phone Docking Station. This product is a smart gift for birthday, anniversary, Christmas gift, and for a boyfriend and girlfriend. An exclusive house for your personal belongings, like a mobile phone charging station, key holder, wallet stand, watch organizer, and glasses station. They will always be there when you need to find them. Conveying love and showing concern are good choices for gifts. The content engraved on the wooden organizers for men and women allows users to be very happy every time they see it. Love is connected to each other's feelings through our wooden docking station. Number 6. Eterluck Wooden Docking Station. Our eye-catching, minimalist design fits any style and environment while still drawing attention. Don't be afraid to give to friends and family. It works well as a birthday gift, a gift for a dad from a daughter, a gift for a boyfriend for Christmas, a gift for a husband and wife, and a gift for Christmas. With our wooden docking station, which comes with a free vegan leather RFID blocking wallet that will safeguard your cards and private information, you can charge and store your gadgets, as well as your daily carry necessities. Number 7. Barva Wood Docking Station Nightstand. Barva Wood Docking Station Tray, 2-cell phone smartwatch holder, charging accessory nightstand father mobile gadget. Anniversary gifts for him, wedding gifts, graduation gifts, Christmas gifts, boyfriend gifts. Regalos para hombre. Father's Day gifts, groomsmen gifts, housewarming gifts. Dad gifts, novelty gifts, retirement gifts, teacher gifts, uncle gifts. Now you can have the perfect combination of cost and quality. Nightstand charging station. Side table double cell phone stand. Bedroom desk stands electronic organizer. Wood dresser phone watch tech organizer. Charging hub dresser organizer. Technology gadgets bedroom organization. Desk essentials. Entryway table valet tray, hallway table key hanger. Bedside storage organizer. Brown desk organizers and accessories. Mesa de noche porta cellular. Save time and money with ergonomic style and functions. Number 8. Wood phone docking station for gifts. This desk organizer and docking station is for smartphones, tablets, watches, wallets, sunglasses, keys, and coins. Improve your desk organization, keep it free of clutter, and create a space for your watch, wallet, phone, and key holder. Includes an iPhone stand and a coaster. This valley tray is the perfect choice for use as a wooden docking station, bedside phone holder, wood charging station, nightstand cell phone holder, and wooden phone holder thanks to its thoughtful design. Number 9. Abhandicrafts Wooden Docking Station. This docking station has a gorgeous design and a very elegant, lovely appearance. A wonderful present for any occasion, such as a husband, 5th wedding anniversary, graduation for both, boyfriend, Christmas, birthday, etc. The Nightstand docking station, a custom smartphone desk organizer, ensures that the most expensive and required accessories are always available. It is portable, convenient, and may be used anywhere and at any time. Number 10. Woodencrew Wood Phone Docking Station. Ideal gift ideas for men and women over 50 include inexpensive gifts, a men and women's organizer station for a dresser, gifts for young adults for anniversaries, a gift for the father, a birthday present for the boyfriend and girlfriend, ideas for the wedding anniversary of the husband and wife, graduation gifts for the father, and travel gifts. It's simple to assemble the wooden Android docking station, assembly manual attached. The cables on this watch holder organizer for men won't bend thanks to practical cuts. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe us to get the latest best products on Amazon right now.